Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Sanicom water pump. So here it just kicked on. It's not really loud. I've got a kitchen sink in the basement that's draining into it right now. And as soon as it fills up to a certain level, it kicks this pump on. There's the discharge. You have to put a check valve on it. So I put a check valve on it and then it's going to send it up into the drain line. And so if we follow this, it's going to go up and it's going to go right into my main drain line that goes out to the septic tank. Now when you first plug it in, it's just on. The green light tells me it's ready to go, so it's going to sit there kind of in standby mode. And as it fills up, it's going to kick the pump on and off. I did have to cut one end of this off and put this adapter on, and that's because you can have it come in on either side. You can have it come in over there or over there, and there's where the drain goes over to the sink. This is the vent line, so this does have to go up into your attic. If we follow the vent's going to go really far, and it's going to go all the way over and then up into the attic. So I'm very impressed with it. It's not super loud, there's not a bunch of vibration with it, and it empties it out really, really quick. Okay, so it kicked it on again. Then turns off. I can manually turn the pump on by pressing this switch, and this indicator light is going to give me different if it starts to fail. This is kind of just open to atmosphere, and then when I want to work on it, I'm going to take these bolts off or something, maybe take this screw off, but not to that point yet. It did come with some really nice instruction manuals on how to install it, what the LED light means and everything. Okay, so I'm going to kind of try to shine a light. The water does get pretty high up in it. At first I didn't think it was working because it just wasn't coming on, but it is kind of a big tank that fills up. So the water is right here, you see. So it's going to fill up. I'm not sure exactly when it comes on. And again, that's just free flowing from the bottom of the kitchen sink. I got a dishwasher and a kitchen sink with a garbage disposal. Now I'm not going to be putting a bunch of food into this, but there might be a little bit that goes in it. So you can see the water is going up. So pretty much it's kind of like level, almost to the bottom of the motor looks like. So it goes up a little bit higher. Yeah, I thought it would have emptied out by now. Now it's emptying. So it almost gets all the water out. But you see, it has to get up to right about here before it empties. Now I did put this quiet check valve. It's also a union. That seems to work really well. Again, it comes with these worm clamps and this connection right here. This is an 1.5 inch drain pipe. This is a 1-inch discharge, but then we did size it up to 1.5 inches. And then the drain line that's coming into it is 1.5 inches also. It does say it's 120 volts, 60 hertz, 10 amps. Now, I didn't put my screws through and mount it. It seems pretty stable. And again, I got just a standard dishwasher, a standard sink. I do have a garbage disposal. And you can see the other end of that drain line is going over to there. And that pump is just right on the other side of that wall. And I can barely hear it through that wall. Okay, so it's on right now. I mean, I can hear it through that wall, but it's not super loud. But the main thing, it doesn't run really long. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.